Gonzalez with a fine first half. Cyril gets the sip. His shot will pop out. Tapigan ng bola. Battle for the rebound. De La Cruz comes away with it. Gonzalez, nicely done. Able to maneuver in the paint to score 2 points. Ramirez against Gonzalez. 8 on their shot clock. Ball stolen away. Crashing down on the floor, Gortiza. Ramirez recovers. Bringas will flip it up and in. Cani. Shot fake. Creating space off the glass. Doesn't get the friendly roll. Gortiza, may buelo. Layup short. Farito stick back. Wala pa din. Flores behind the back. Chris Javier with a left-handed finish. Bataan with the momentum. Ahead by 3. Enriquez launches and buries the triple.
Wow.
Also has a lot of flair to their game. Pinagkaiba lang yung buhok eh. Case in point. Long 3-point bomb. Back-to-back triples from Nash Enriquez. Definitely thinking about it, especially with this pass back from Gonzalez. Flores, diligitan na siya. Enriquez, 6 on the shot clock. What a pass! Exquisite timing on that one, leading to an open basket by Munmun De La Cruz. 8-0 run from Pasay. Flores, gustong sumagot. He does! Back at you, Sons Alfred. Has the speed advantage over Chris Javier. Double cross. And the sauce! The floater is up and in! Past the halfway point of the third. Farito way off on that 3. Bringas, tumalaksak, pinasa kay Ives Sazon, mid-range jumper, tumalbog palabas. Long rebound ending up with Nash Enriquez. No-look pass! Farito! Yes! Enriquez with his magic on this squad. And it's definitely not an easy task, but they're doing a good job here. Chelo Santiago off that steal. And he's visibly hurt. Ends up with Chelo Santiago pulling up from 3. Pocket! Corner pocket triple from Chelo Santiago. Darang. Pass to Gabawan. Nice closeout by Martel. Stopping that attack. Minus also has been silent. Fading away. He bails him out with that tough jumper. Not sure if that was the right decision. Instead, Santiago missing on the 3. Darang. Put it on! Everyone biting the dust on that one. The ebbs and flows in this one. 58-54, 4-point lead. Mark Parks. Santiago, shot fake. Lets it fly. Second triple from Chelo Santiago. 24 seconds remaining. Hubert Cani. Quick 3. Darang, yes.
Looks like Robbie's getting his...
Combining forces to keep Pasay afloat. And Santiago with a thievery.
Wow,
and making it plus a foul layup. A thing of beauty from Leonard Santiago. 12 total points in this quarter. 5-on-4 fast break opportunity. Hubert Cani crossover. Floater is up, no. Alex Ramos rejected. Staying with it, Palagasay. Nice pass. Sazon in stride. Straight but short, but a follow-up from Robbie Darang. In stride, Pajarito, malakas. Alex Ramos the rebound. The pitch ahead, nice pass. Tutoy Ramirez is gone on the other end.
Had himself a good first half. Let's see if he can get going this fourth quarter.
He now has 10. Fight for the rebound. Tatakbo si Alfred Flores. Alfred, a crossover, the fake, the shot is good. Farito, tightly marked by Alex Ramos. Long three-pointer from Enriquez. That's his third triple.
They want to come back.
Farito down low. Moon de la Cruz swoops in and scores. 78-67. Tutoy skips it. Cani off the dribble, dumps it down low. Alex Ramos will score. Counted plus a foul. And we're witnessing one good game right now between Bataan and Pasay. Cyril Gonzalez, big time three-point shot. Finds Nash. Enriquez working on Flores. Show by Bringas. Someone is free. Farito. 5 seconds left. Gonzalez, same spot, same result. Back-to-back, back-breaking triples from CG14. Missed his first 3 attempts from 3 in the first 3 games. What a way for him to break out. Hubert Cani will drain that jumper. 3 minutes left. Kyle Montaño is now in. Gortiza. Niptis yung kanyang tres. Tutoy nakuha yung rebound. Cani sets his feet, launches and buries the tray. Cyril. Farito step back, three-point shot. Putting the nail in the coffin in this one. Pasay Voyagers will improve to 2-2 while Bataan no longer part of that undefeated crew. So that drops down to 5 teams. Bataan will fall down to 3-1. Leaving Caloocan, Abra, Quezon, Jensan, and Pasig City